Gutun the Mussel. Everyone thought that Gutun was fast, the fastest mussel in the sea. He was so fast you couldn't even see him move. One minute he was lying there with his friends, joking around and chatting. Then all of a sudden he would disappear and be joking around with another group of mussels. But Gutun wasn't fast. Gutun could teleport. By closing his eyes tightly, he could think of another place and get there in no time. He could even close his eyes and think of the Great Barrier Reef near Australia and be there in a flash. But he wasn't too keen on travelling too far. He liked to be with his friends and family, all 34,721 of them who lived with him in the bay. One day, some of Gutun's brothers heard that a cave had been discovered a few miles away. Normal mussels didn't travel very far, so hearing about another amazing place in the sea was fascinating.
Gutun, do you think you could go to the cave and come back and tell us what it's like?
Yes, of course, said Gutun. He loved going on adventures of discovery on behalf of his huge family, as he loved telling them stories on his return, with everyone listening to him. Gutun closed his eyes tightly, and in a flash, there he was, in the cave. Wow! This place was huge and dark. Suddenly, Gutun saw something moving. Slowly and quietly, 6 big octopuses came towards him from the darkness of the cave.
Hello. I didn't know anyone else was here,
said Gutun politely.
I'm sorry, is this your home? I'm an adventurer, you see. I have the ability to get from one place to another in a flash by closing my eyes tightly, you see, and...
Gutun jabbered on and on when he was nervous. But before he could carry on, the head octopus said, "Oh, you're Gutun the amazing mussel then?"
Yes, I suppose so,"
Gutun said proudly. But Gutun hadn't foreseen the danger. The octopus wanted to use Gutun's special power to do something bad. They had a plan. On the longest day of the year, they were planning to steal the pearls from the lobster cave bank. They needed Gutun to teleport into the cave bank to open the door from the inside.
What? I can't do that. That's where the pearls are guarded. It's important that we keep the pearls safe,
said Gutun. If you don't do what we ask you to do, your big stupid family will disappear by the thousands, said the octopus, with his slimy mouth dangerously close to poor Gutun's face. He sank back into his shell. He closed his eyes tightly and thought of home. He was there in a flash, but he had had the fright of his life.
Well, what was the cave like?
Asked one of his brothers as they waited eagerly for his amazing tale. But Gutun didn't answer. He was scared. Steal pearls from the lobster cave bank? That wasn't right. Not right at all. Suddenly, one of the other mussels said, "Where's Uncle Greg and all the other Gregs?" Oh no, thought Gutun. The mussels started to disappear. He realised that he had no choice but to help the bad octopus and steal the pearls to keep his family safe. The longest day of the year was only a few days away, and Gutun had to be prepared. But Gutun didn't know at the time that he would succeed in keeping his family and all the other sea creatures safe, with the help of some other fantastic heroes on the longest day of the year.